Hi guys, in this video we talk about Google Pixel 8 Pro versus ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra. The Google Pixel 8 Pro launched on October 2023 with a price tag of $999. ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra launched on December 2023 with a price tag of $800. The dimension is same in both devices and the weight of these devices. The Google Pixel 8 Pro have 213 gram and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra 246 gram. And the build: Google Pixel 8 Pro front and back glass and aluminum frame. The same ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra front and back glass and aluminum frame. The both mobile come with dual SIM. The display: the Google Pixel 8 Pro LTPO OLED 16M color and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra come with AMOLED 1 billion color. And the screen size: Google Pixel 8 Pro 6.7 inches display and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra 6.80 inch display. And the resolution of the device: the Google Pixel 8 Pro 1344 by 2992 pixels and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra 1116 by 2480 pixels. And the PPI density: the Google Pixel 8 Pro 489 and the Nubia Z60 Ultra have 400. The refresh rate is same 120Hz and the screen to body ratio 87.4% and the Nubia Z60 Ultra 89.1%. And the protection: the Gorilla Glass Victus 2 in both devices. And the screen brightness: the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 2400 nits peak brightness and the Nubia Z60 Ultra come with 1500 nits peak brightness. And the camera of these devices: the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 15 megapixel 48 megapixel ultra wide and 48 megapixel periscope triple camera setup, and it's record 4K 60 fps video. And the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 64 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it's record 8K 30 fps video. The selfie camera: the Google Pixel 8 Pro comes with 10.5 megapixels and 4K 60 fps video record. And the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra comes with 16 megapixel under display 1080p video record. The platform: the Google Pixel 8 Pro comes with Luna core with Cortex X3 and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra comes with Octa core with Cortex X4. And the chipset of this device: Google Pixel comes with Google Tensor G3 4nm processor and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm processor. The Google Pixel 8 Pro come with Moteless G715 GPU and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra come with Adreno 750. And both mobile come with Android 14 operating system. The memory: the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 12GB of RAM and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra come with 12GB, 16GB and 24GB of RAM. The internal storage: the Google Pixel 8 Pro have 128, 256GB and 512GB and 1TB of internal storage, and the Nubia Z60 Ultra 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. No SD card supported. The battery of this device: the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 5050 mAh battery and the Nubia Z60 Ultra have 6000 mAh battery. The charging of these devices: the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 30W fast charging and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra 80W fast charging. And the only Google Pixel 8 Pro have 23W wireless charging. And the both devices come with 5G network. Common and the features is same in both devices. And the result of these devices: the Google Pixel 8 Pro got 24 points and the Nubia Z60 Ultra got 22 points.